Hello class, welcome to Instrucko. My name is Instrucko Nishtha and I will be your teacher for today's maths class, okay? Today's maths class is for students of age 3 to 5 years. In today's class, we will learn how to skip count by 5. The name of our chapter is 5 a day, okay? Now, before we start, let me tell you why is skip counting so important. So, skip counting is a very basic part of numbers and it also helps us in performing other functions like addition and multiplication. Okay. Also, with the help of skip counting, you will be able to tell the time and you will be able to count money and so on. So, now you know that skip counting is very important. So, let's start learning. Okay. We will start our lesson with a warm up activity. Okay. In this warm up activity, we have been given four numbers that are 5, 20, 10, and 15. And we have to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the largest. So, for doing that, let's start counting from 1. Okay, and then whichever number will come first, we will put that number in the first box. Okay, so come on, guys, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number did we get at first? 5, right. So we will put 5 in the first box. Now let's continue counting. What comes after 5? 6, right. So we'll start counting from 6 now, okay? So 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what is the second number that we got? 10. So then we should put 10 in the second box, right? Now let's continue counting. After 10 comes 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So in the third box we will get 15. Right. Now let's continue counting. Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So in the last box we will put 20. Now looking at this, can you tell me which is the smallest number? Correct. 5 is the smallest number of all four, right? And which is the biggest number? 20 is the biggest number of all the four numbers. Very nice. So, let's move to our story then. In today's lesson, we will read about a little monkey called Mo. Okay? Mo was a little monkey. He wished and wished that one day he would grow big and strong like his brothers and sisters. So, what did Mo wish for? Mo wanted to be big and strong like his brothers and sisters because he was little, right? So, now tell me, how do you think Mo feels about being smaller than his brothers and sisters? See, everyone around him is big and tall. Only Mo is small. So obviously, Mo feels very sad about it. Okay, because Mo also wants to be big and strong like his brothers and sisters, right? Now, tell me, how can we comfort Mo? What should we say to Mo so that he does not feel so bad? Right. We have to tell Mo that everyone is different and everyone looks different. So even if he is small, he should not feel bad about it because maybe one day he will grow big. And even if he does not grow big, so what? He will have some other, he will be special in some other way, right? So, Mo does not need to feel bad because everyone does not look the same. Everyone looks different, right? Okay, now let's continue with the story of Mo. Mo decided one day to talk to his dad about his problem. Dad, when will I grow big and strong? He asked in despair. You will soon. Make sure you eat 5 fruits and vegetables, and soon you will be bigger than me. Mo's dad promised handing him 5 bananas. Okay? Now, tell me, what did Mo's father tell him? He told him that if he eats fruits and vegetables, 5 fruits and vegetables every day, then he will grow even bigger than his father. Nice, right? So, after this, Mo's father gave him 5 bananas for that day. Okay? Now, see, here is a banana tree. Now, can you pick 5 bananas off the tree to give to Mo? Okay, so on this tree, can you see these bananas hanging here? So out of all these bananas, we have to give 5 bananas to Mo. And then we have to tell that how many bananas are left on the tree. Okay, so first let's start counting, and first let's count 5 bananas and give them to Mo. Okay, so we'll start counting from here. Guys, can you see my cursor? So, okay, let's start counting from this banana. So, this is my first banana. So, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. So, you can see there are 2 bunches of banana, right? The top bunch of banana has 5 bananas. So, we will pick these bananas and give it to Mo. Now, how many bananas are left with us? Right, the bananas in the bottom are left with us. So let's count the bananas in the bottom. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bananas are left with us after we gave 5 bananas to Mo. Okay. So let's mark the answer as 7. Yes, it's the correct answer. Okay. Mo had 5 bananas, 5 pieces of fruit in total. He carried them all with him. So Mo has 5 bananas, 5 pieces of fruit in total, and he is carrying them all with him. Let's count the number of bananas again that Mo has. Okay, so Mo has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bananas. Right. Okay. So Mo has till now 5 pieces of fruit in total, right? Then now tell me, why is it important to eat fruits and vegetables? This every parent must tell you this, right? Your mom and dad must also tell you why is it important to eat fruits and vegetables? Correct, because it will help you grow. See, most father is giving him bananas now to help him grow grow bigger, right? So, if you eat healthy fruits and vegetables, then you will also grow big and strong, right? So, we should always eat the healthy food, which is fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now, tell me, how many fruits and vegetables do you eat in a day? Right, but you should try to have more fruits and vegetables, right? Because as many fruits and vegetables you will have, you will become more healthy, more strong, right? And it will give you the strength to do different work throughout the day, right? So we should always eat healthy food, and our diet should consist of fruits and vegetables, okay? Now, next, Mo went to talk to his grandma about his problem. Grandma, when will I grow big and strong? He asked in despair. You will soon. Make sure you eat 5 fruits and vegetables, and soon you will be bigger than me. Mo's grandma promised him, handing him 5 oranges. Okay, see, Mo's grandma also told him the same thing that his father told him, that he's supposed to eat 5 fruits and vegetables per day. Okay, and then Mo's grandma gave him 5 oranges. Okay, see, here I have 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now see, here's the orange tree. Can you pick 5 oranges off the tree to give it to Mo? And again, tell me how many oranges are left. See, they have given the tree now. We have oranges on the tree. Now again, we have to pick 5 oranges and give it to Mo. And then see how many oranges are left with us. Okay. So first let's count the 5 oranges and give it to Mo. So let's start counting from here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I give these 5 oranges to Mo, then only these oranges are left with me, right? So let's count how many oranges are left with me. 1, 2, 3. So after giving 5 oranges to Mo, I only have 3 oranges left with me. Okay. So we will mark the answer as 3 here. Correct. 3 is the right answer. Now, let's see. Mo had 5 bananas and 5 oranges. 5, 10 pieces of fruit in total, right? He carried them all with him. So, Mo had 5 bananas and 5 oranges. Okay. So, let's count how many pieces of fruit does Mo have in total. Okay. So, let's start counting with the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mo has 5 bananas and has 5 oranges. So we'll start counting from 6, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in total, Mo has 10 fruits. 5 bananas, which his father gave, and 5 oranges, which his grandmother gave. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So Mo has 10 fruits in total and he's carrying them all with him. Okay. Now tell me, if Mo had 5 bananas and now he's added 5 oranges, so how many fruits did he have in total? We just counted them, right? Should we count them again? Okay. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. 5 plus 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fruits does Mo have in total? 10 fruits. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Correct. Nice. Okay. Next, Mo went to talk to his uncle about his problem. Uncle, when will I grow big and strong? He asked in despair. You will soon. Make sure you eat 5 fruits and vegetables, and soon you will be bigger than me. Mo's uncle promised, handing him 5 mangoes. Okay. So Mo's uncle also told him the same thing, that if he eats 5 fruits and vegetables per day, he will grow big and strong. And then Mo's uncle handed him 5 mangoes. Okay, see, these are the mangoes that Mo's uncle handed him, right? Now see, here is a mango tree. Now again, we have to pick 5 mangoes from the tree and give it to Mo. And then we have to tell that how many mangoes are left with us. Okay. So let's count 5 mangoes first and give it to Mo. And then we will count the remaining mangoes. Okay. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, these are the 5 bananas that these are the 5 mangoes that we'll give to Mo. Now let's count how many mangoes are left with us. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 mangoes are left on the tree after giving 5 mangoes to Mo. Okay. So we will mark the answer here as 8. Okay. Now, Mo had 5 bananas, 5 oranges, 5 mangoes. Okay. 5 bananas, 5 oranges, and 5 mangoes. So, Mo had a total of 5. See, Mo has a total of 5, 10, and 15 fruits. See, we counted now. 5 bananas plus 5 oranges was 10, right? Now, if we start counting from 11, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now, if we add mangoes also to the fruit, then in total we have 15 fruits, okay? Mo has 15 fruits in total, okay? Now, see, it's asking you the same thing. Now, Mo had 5 bananas. Then Mo had 5 oranges. And now Mo has 5 mangoes. So, now tell me how many total number of fruits does he have now? Okay, we will count from the beginning again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 oranges, which makes it a total of 10. Then 5 mangoes also. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fruits in total? 15. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Before the mangoes, we had 10 fruits, right? And now if we add 5 mangoes also, now we have a total of 15 fruits. Correct. Then next Mo went to talk to his friend Elephant about his problem. Elephant, when will I grow big and strong? He asked in despair. You will soon. Make sure you eat 5 fruits and vegetables and you'll soon be bigger than me. Mo's friend promised him, handing him 5 coconuts. So now what did Mo's friend Elephant give to Mo? He gave Mo 5 coconuts, okay, and told Mo that if he has 5 fruits and vegetables per day, he will grow bigger and stronger than his friend also, okay. So now see, here is the coconut tree. Can you pick 5 coconut of the tree to give to Mo? Okay, again we have to do the same thing. See, there are coconuts here now. We have to give 5 coconuts to Mo, and then we have to count how many coconuts are left. Okay, so first let's count the 5 coconuts that we have to give to Mo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So on the bigger tree, I have 3 coconuts, and on the smaller tree also I have 3 coconuts. I have to give Mo 5 coconuts, right? So I will take 1, 2, 3 coconuts from the big tree, and 4, 5, 2 coconuts from the small tree, and I will give 5 coconuts to Mo. Then now how many coconuts are left with me? Right, 1 coconut. I only have 1 coconut left with me, okay? So we will mark the answer here as 1. Okay. Now, Mo had 5 bananas. Let's see how many fruits Mo has in total till now. Okay. So, Mo has 5 bananas. Okay. Then Mo has 5 oranges. Okay. Then Mo has 5 mangoes. And now Mo's elephant friend also gave him 5 coconuts. So, let's count how many fruits in total does Mo have? Okay. So first let's start counting with the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Okay. Now we will start counting from 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So bananas and oranges total 10 fruits, right? Then now we will count the mangoes. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fruits in total now? After Mo got the mangoes? 15 fruits, correct. And now what is left to count? Only 5 coconuts are left to count. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many fruits does Mo have in total now? 20 fruits, which is 5 bananas, 5 oranges, 5 mangoes, and 5 coconuts. Total 20 fruits. Okay. Mo had 5 bananas, 5 oranges, 5 mangoes, and 5 coconuts. 5, 5, 10, 15, and 20 pieces of fruit in total. He carried them all with him. Okay. So now in total, Mo has 20 fruits. Okay. Now tell me, here see, here are 5 bananas, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we added 5 bananas and 5 oranges, so we got 10. Now, when we will add 5 mangoes also, we will get 15. And then when we add 5 coconuts, we will get 20. Correct. See, 15 plus 5 is 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now Mo has total of 20 fruits. Okay. Finally, Mo went to talk to his mum about his problem. Mum, when will I grow big and strong? He asked in despair. Everyone is different, Mo. Be patient. I am sure you'll grow before long, and in the meantime, stop comparing yourself to everyone. See, Mo's mother told him such a good thing now. Mo's mother told that everyone is different and he will grow big and strong, but till that time, Mo has to stop comparing himself with others because everyone is different. So just because one person is strong and tall doesn't mean that Mo has to compare himself to him, right? Mo has to wait patiently, and when Mo will, with time, Mo will also grow tall and strong, okay? But by that time, he should not compare himself to anyone, okay? See, now it's activity time. We learned so much now. Let's do the activities now. Now, see, these are the fruits that have been given to Mo, right? Mo has been given fruits in fives, okay, right? Everyone gave him five fruits now. His father gave him five bananas, then his grandmother gave him five oranges, then his uncle gave him five mangoes, and then his friend elephant gave him five coconuts, right? So to count how many pieces of fruit he got in total, we can skip count by 5. See, first is 5, then after 5 if we add another 5 to 5 we get 10. Okay, then if in 10 we add another 5 we get 15, and in 15 we add another 5 we get 20. So now, did you learn how to skip count by 5? First comes 5, then comes 10, then comes 15, then comes 20. Now let's try to count 5 more after 20. Okay, so after 20, these are my 5 fingers. Let's start with 21. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So if I continue the skip counting by 5, after 20, what will I get? 25. Now let's continue. After 25, if we add another 5 to 25, then what will we get? See, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how can we skip count by 5? Let's all count together. First comes 5, then comes 10, then comes 15, then 20. After that, 25, then 30, and so on. So now did you learn how to skip count by 5? Okay, now we will move to our next activity. See, it is telling me that each bunch has 5 bananas in it. How many bananas are there in total? Count by 5. Okay, see, can you see? Here there are 5 bananas. Then here also there are 5 bananas. And again there are 5 bananas. So now 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 15. So how many bananas are there in total? 15 bananas. Correct. See, we skip counted by 5 now. It's similar like when Mo had 5 bananas, then 5 oranges. So total how many fruits did Mo have? 10. So now here we have 5 bananas, add 5 more bananas. So how many fruits do we have in total? 10. And then in 10 also, if we have 5 more bananas, then 10 plus 5 is 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, right? We learned the skip counting now. So if I have to add 5 to 5, I will get 10. And then if I again add 5 to 10, I will get 15. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next activity. See, here there are balloons. Okay, in the first column we have white and golden balloons, and in the second column we have black and golden balloons. Okay, but what is common? Each bunch of balloon has 5 balloons in total. Okay, so this first bunch also has 5 balloons, and second bunch also has 5 balloons. Now come on, tell me, what is 5 plus 5? 10. Right. So my correct answer is 10. 5 balloons plus 5 balloons make 10 balloons. Okay. Oh, now we have bunch of flowers. Now we have to count how many flowers are there in total. Okay. So first we will count. See, it is saying now each bunch has 5 flowers. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers here. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers here. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. And now let's count the red flowers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each bunch we have 5 flowers. Okay. Now we have to tell in total we have how many flowers? Okay. So again tell me 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 5 and this 5 makes it 10. Now in 10 I again have to add 5. So what will I get after 10 comes? 15. Correct. And then again in this 15 I have to add another 5. So this makes my total to 20. See, 5 plus 5 is 10, right? Then again 10 plus 5 is 15 and 15 plus 5 is 20. So how many flowers are there in total? 20 flowers. Correct. Okay, so my answer is 20. Now let's move to the last activity of this chapter. Okay, now see, I told you first. Okay, let's use our bananas and oranges to calculate this. See, first Mo had 0 fruits. First Mo had 0 fruits, right? Then he went to his father. His father gave him 5 bananas, right? So now 0 plus 5 is what? Let's see. First he has 0 fruits, then he got 5. So 0 plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay. Then he had 5 fruits and he went to his grandmother. She also gave him 5 fruits, right? So 5 plus 5 is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then Mo went to his uncle and his uncle gave him 5 mangoes, right? So he already had 10 fruits. Now 10 plus 5 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And now Mo had 15 fruits. Then in the last he went to his friend elephant. His friend elephant also gave him 5 fruits, right? So 15 plus 5 is how much? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Correct. So in total, now Mo has how many fruits? 20 fruits. And 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay. Let's again once more skip count by 5. Okay. See, I have 5 bananas and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5, 10, then 15, then 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5, 10, 15 and 20. Right? So did you learn skip counting by 5? So first comes 5, then comes 10, then 15, then 20, then 25 and then 30 and so on. Okay, every time you have to skip count by 5. Just keep adding 5 to the last number and you can skip count by 5. Got it? I hope you had fun in the class today and also you learned something. Also, I hope you learned the importance of eating healthy food, that is fruits and vegetables, right? Good. So let's end this class and have a fun day. Mo says goodbye. Bye.